Hello everyone, I'm Jodylynn and welcome to Aging Naturally. Today's video is a little different. I'm going to be sharing with you my wellness plan for this year that I've been really doing a lot of research on and wanting to ensure that I am having a high quality health span, not just a long lifespan. And I wanted to share with you some of the things that I'm doing, and I'd also like to hear from you what you're doing, because maybe that's something that I can also incorporate. So hopefully we can kind of open up this video as a conversation as far as improving our health span. Just to give you some background knowledge, a couple of years ago, my body had formed a huge cancerous tumor that was in my abdomen, and I had no symptoms, and just one morning I woke up and was in severe pain. So it needed to be taken out pretty quickly. Thankfully, the doctor was able to get it out and it did not spread in my body, and I'm so thankful for that. So I did not have to go through any chemo or radiation. And so I'm going to be talking to you about some DoNotAge supplements that I have been loving, that has seriously made me feel amazing. A couple of products they did send to me, but I went all in and I ordered about 3 or 4 more. I'm going to let you know why I went with DoNotAge at the end of the video. The first thing that I wanted to do was increase my NAD levels. So please forgive me, I'm going to be using acronyms, abbreviations, because my medical pronunciation is disastrous. So what is NAD? So NAD is something that is in our bodies all the time. It directly influences and indirectly influences our cellular functions, including metabolic pathways, DNA repair, cellular senescence, and immune cell function. Senescence just means dead cells. They're aging dead cells, and they can accumulate because our cellular functions are not repairing themselves as quickly. They're not getting rid of those senescent cells as efficiently as what they once did because our NAD levels are declining. So we want to improve our cellular senescence. So there has been research that shows that your NAD levels, when they decline, that you definitely have a higher risk for diseases, and usually aging diseases like cognitive decline, cancer, metabolic disease. Increasing those NAD levels is obviously going to improve your whole cellular function in your body. So that was really important to me. So what I am taking to improve my NAD, and also just so you know, I went through, DoNotAge has a test that you can purchase on their website to see what your NAD levels are. So the NAD test does not come from DoNotAge. It actually comes from J Infinity. Got the results in about 6 to 8 weeks. Your NAD levels for optimal efficiency should be anywhere from 40 to 100, and mine were 26.5. So they are deficient. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the supplements and then I'm going to do another test in like a year to see where I'm at. The first one that I'm taking, the first supplement that I'm taking is the NMN powder. NMN is actually a precursor to NAD. So it is a derivative of a vitamin 3, and it is going to help to increase your NAD levels. So that is going to improve longevity, reduce the effects of diabetes, liver conditions, brain health, heart health, exercise training. The amount of energy that I have with this, I'm telling you, I probably saw it after about, for me, it was rather quick, about 5 days. After about 5 days of taking this, I felt like my energy was like off the charts. On their website, they suggested to take TMG as well as Resveratrol to help the benefits of your NMN and your NAD levels. So I was just like, okay, let's go ahead and try it. It also stated that you could add in the SIRT6 activator, which I do not have, but it's something on my radar for the future. But let's talk about the TMG. So this is the pure TMG. This is a methyl donor to ensure that you get the full benefit of your NMN. So this is going to help reduce fatigue. It's also going to boost your body's production of proteins. Definitely want that for muscle health. Increase also the synthesis of creatine. So creatine is really important in providing muscles with energy. So this is like that muscle help and also to help with the NMN. Let's talk about the pure Resveratrol. This is going to help with brain health, with also blood pressure, protecting your arteries, and it also has anti-cancer potential, which I'm all about. The last thing that I wanted to talk about is Suresleep. If you have problems with sleeping, you might want to look into this. I have tried over-the-counter from Amazon melatonin. It worked in the beginning. It stopped working. It just didn't work for me anymore, and I've tried other things. CBD oil. I've tried a lot of things, and this has been really wonderful. So this is their all-natural Suresleep. You take 2 of these 30 minutes before bed, and I have been sleeping beautifully. I don't wake up feeling groggy and horrible. This has been a game changer. Let's even talk about why I went through DoNotAge. As an aging woman who has gone through circumstances such as I did with a cancerous tumor, quality of products at this level for me, for longevity and bone health, I wanted to make sure that those products were high quality. I have been eyeing DoNotAge for a couple of years now. I think that Claudia Glows has done a couple of videos actually with the CEO of the company, CEO and founder of the company. I will link those down below if you want more information. But I love the quality of the products. I love that they also do research. They are a health research organization that is committed to fighting the effects of aging and living a high quality, productive life. They're also very well known in having one of the purest form of NAD boosters. So their NMN is 99.4% pure. And they also stand by their products. And another thing that I love, on their website, when you are looking at each product and it lets you know what it does, there are research studies that let you know the efficacy of the supplement. So I love that. I love that they send me also emails on the latest and greatest science out there. So all of the DNA products are also tested through third-party laboratories. I love that. My health is something that to me is very important because obviously without it, I don't have a good quality of life. So that is something that I personally will spend a bit more money on. So that's just me personally, but let me know, does any of this resonate with you? Are there things that you are doing that I haven't talked about? I would love to know because I love all of that research and new information. I really hope that you liked this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a like. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell so you do not miss my upcoming videos. Until next time.